Hello everyone, my name is William and I'm going to present our work on mobilizing the archive, training modern speech technology models with digitalized fieldwork recordings. So there are a lot of untranscribed fieldwork data lying dormant on shelves in labs. So here we try to see how we can use this data to train state-of-the-art models of speech processing. So we train a model called Lecouteux, which is a model that can learn how to process speech without any transcriptions. Once this model is trained, it can be trained again to perform a specific task, which is here automatic speech recognition. So for our work, we use the Atlas linguistique d'Haïti, which consists of recordings collected 40 years ago on cassettes, which have then been digitized by the French National Library. We have a bit more than 200 hours of recording, which are untranscribed, and consist only of fieldwork recordings, which are very noisy, with roosters or chicks in the background. So we use this data to pre-train our model. So pre-training consists in giving a model untranscribed recordings, and the model outputs a vector representation. So the model learns to do so by trying to predict a part of the recording that has been hidden from it, so here in black, and by doing so, by predicting the missing part, the model learns a good vector representation. So that allows the model to model speech very well without requiring any form of transcription. So once the model is trained, we can fine-tune it on a speech recognition task. So we give the model recordings and the transcription, and the model learns how to do speech to text. So we do so by using 6 hours of transcribed data. So we measure the performance of our model using character error rate, which measures how good the transcription is. So a CER of 25% means that 75% of the characters are correctly predicted with respect to the reference, and only 25% of the characters are wrong. So with our model pre-trained on fieldwork recordings and fine-tuned on 6 hours of transcribed data, we have a CER of 17.1. And when we compare to a bigger model, such as the one by Facebook, has a CER of 28.4 when used on fieldwork recordings, despite having been trained on much more data than our model. So even with 17.4 CER, the transcriptions are usable. So using all fieldwork data, we were able to train state-of-the-art models of speech processing, and the approach of mobilizing archival data is extremely promising to design speech technology models for languages that do not have a lot of transcribed data.